We interrupt this program in WTP-TV and WTP-FM for an activation of the emergency alert system. Please tune to channel 61 for further information.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Porter County in northwest Indiana until 4:45 a.m. At 3:59 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Westville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain in mainly low of eastern Porter County, including the following locations: Westville and Chesterton. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service in Chicago. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 a.m. for the following county: Porter, Indiana,